Hello there. I want to teach you all how to get set up in a super simple way with OBS to record your videos. So let's check it out. First things first, go to obsproject.com. You can see this is the website. The software is free and open source, and you just pick your OS, download, and install. And after you do that, it's going to look a lot like this. This is the kind of basic setup, and what you're going to want to do is a few things to get your video and audio going. The first thing I recommend you do is right click down here on what says scene and rename it to base scene. Now this might seem unimportant, but if you go deeper into OBS, the way I set up all the systems, this will make more sense. We always build a base scene and then build on top of it. So base scene, we're going to go over here and we're going to go to sources. In the bottom left of the sources window, we're going to hit the plus sign for add, and we'll go to a video capture device. It's always best practice to use a name that makes sense. So we're going to put M50 in there, which is my camera model. And my system is now trying to talk to my M50 camera, which is listed as the EOS webcam utility device here under the device. You'll have whatever else is plugged into your computer also available. I don't suggest you touch this. Just go to OK. And now you have a video feed on your canvas, and you can just pull the corner and it will expand with the proper ratio, and you can just fill in the full space there. The other thing I like to do here is right click and then go to transform horizontally. Now, flipping horizontally to me just feels better. Now, when I look at my screen, it looks like I'm looking into a mirror, right? My right hand's on the right. That to me makes a big difference in terms of comfort. You know, maybe not the same for everybody, but I like to do that, and I recommend you try that if you're feeling weird about being on camera. Next up, we're going to bring in your audio source. So we're going to hit that plus sign again, go to audio input capture. I right now have a Samsung Q2U plugged in, so I'm going to put that in and hit OK. And then from the device menu, I'm going to pick my Samsung and we hit go. So now down here, you can see that we have audio levels and we have a video feed. So it's pretty much that simple. You could hit record right now, but I recommend that you check your settings, and we'll do that really quickly. Right down here, second to last option is settings, and we're going to choose output from this menu. And what we're going to look at is right here under recording. You're going to want to define your recording path. It'll have a default. If that works for you, leave it. If you want it in a specific folder, this is where you change it. Recording quality. I like indistinguishable quality, larger file size. If that seems to be too much for your computer and you're getting choppiness or chunkiness, try the next step down. I don't recommend same as stream or lossless quality. Lossless is just too big for what it is, and same as stream will give you a probably much lower quality video file unless you make some other changes. Next here is encoder. I would leave this to wherever it defaulted, but just to give you an idea of what it is, it's whether you're doing your video encoding through software or hardware. If your computer has a video card, you'll have a hardware option here. You might just have software options. So it'll default to the best option, most likely. So after changing all that, you could hit apply and OK, and you're ready to record. So recording is as easy as hitting start recording. And then when you're done, stop recording. And that is the end of this super simple OBS video recording tutorial.